Now let's consider the first one, that is multiplication of a vector by a scalar. Now let's suppose that vector m is equal to mn. Then if we have lambda of the vector a, that is lambda multiplying vector a, that would be lambda, what is the vector a? That is mn. And when you are multiplying, so that's lambda times m, and then lambda n. Well, very, very easy. Let's consider these examples for better understanding. Now let's consider this example. Given that vector a is negative 3, 2, vector b, negative 5, negative 7, and then vector c is negative 4, negative 1. We should evaluate to a minus 3c plus vector b. So with this, now we have 2a minus 3c plus b. So 2. What is vector a? That is negative 3, 2. What is vector c? This is negative 4, negative 1. And then plus the vector b. Vector b is negative 5, negative 7. Now let's apply the multiplication by a scalar to it. So 2 times negative 3, that would be negative 6, 4. That's 2 times negative 3, that's negative 6, 2 times 2, 4. Now leave the negative there, so leave the negative here. 3 times this we have, that is negative 12, negative 12, negative 3. 3 times this, 3 times that. And then plus we have negative 5, negative 7. Now this adding the first component, so that will be negative 4, negative, negative, plus, so negative 6 plus 12 minus 5. That's the first one. Negative is negative, negative, positive, and then plus negative 5. Now 4, we have 4 plus 3, negative, negative, that is positive. And then we have minus 7. Now, negative 6 plus 12, that's positive 6. 6 minus 5, and this is just 1. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 7, this is 0. So we have 1, 0. Now let's consider this example. This is June 2012, question number 6a. Now we've been given P, Q, and then R. We are being told to find 4P minus 2Q plus 5R. So what is RP? That is 2, negative 3. Minus 2Q. What is Q? Q is 4, 2. And then plus 5R. What is our R3? Negative 2. Now apply the multiplication by a scalar to it. 4 times 2, that is 8. 4 times this, that's negative 12. Minus, leave the negative and multiply with only the positive. So this time this, that will be 8, 4. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 2, 4. And then plus 5 times 3, 15. 5 times negative 2, that's negative 10. Now from here, let's add the first component. So that will be 8 minus 8 plus 15, negative. Now we have negative 12 minus 4, negative 4 plus we have negative 10. Now, when we add these two, now let's see 8 minus 8, that's 0. And then so first component becomes 15. And then negative 12 minus 4, that's negative 16. Negative 16 minus 10, that's negative 26. That's very, very trivial. Now let's consider this example. Given that vector u is negative 3, 2, and vector v is 3, that is 2, 6. We are being told to find, so we want to find 1 over 3 u plus 1 over 2 v. Now we have 1 over 3 outside. Now vector u, what is vector u? Vector u is negative 2, 3. And then vector v is 2, 6. Now, clearly, let's deal with the bracket first. So we have 1 over 3 outside. Now we have negative 2, 3. Now applying the multiplication by a scalar over here. So half times, so here we will get that is half times 2, and then half times 6. Applying the multiplication by scalar. Now this will go 1, this will go 2, this will go 1, this will go 2 going to 2, that is 1, 2 going to 6, that is 3 times. So you have 1 over 3, and then we have 2, 3, plus 1, 3. And from here, we have our 1, 3 outside. Now, let's see negative 2 plus 1. Negative 2 plus 1 is just negative 1. And then 3 plus 3 is giving us, that is 6. So this is equal to, that is 1 over 3 times negative 1, 1 over 3 times 6. So from here, 3 going to 1, 3 going to 6, that is 2 times. So you have negative 1 over 3 and then 2. And that is it. Very, very easy. Don't forget to subscribe.